Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Women Gupshup. So as festive season is near, I wanted to discuss about some top ethnic wear brands which we can use for this festive season. So before starting my video, I wanted to talk about few tips which I have learned while doing online shopping, that you should always see the reviews of any outfit which you are buying online, because it's very important. Sometimes they mention, users mention the correct data, what was the packing status and how it was packed and how did they get it. So all these things are mentioned in the review, so definitely you should go for that. Second thing is whenever you are ordering online, if you make a pair and then order, it will be good for you, because sometimes what happens, we order the top and we are then ordering 2 weeks later we are ordering the skirt. So what happens that we don't get, in the end we are very confused that with which top we should pair what skirt, so which skirt. So that's why we should always try to order in the pair, because when we order in the pair, then definitely we are sorted. So that is a very helpful thing. And third one is that I have experienced this, then if you make the payment through debit card, then there's sometimes what happens that the refund process takes time. So I would highly recommend that you should always use your credit card while paying the bills of online shopping, because when you use credit card, the policy is slightly different and slightly better, so it will definitely help you. So you should always use credit cards while making the payment. Some top ethnic brands with you for this festive season which you should definitely try. First is Fab India. Fab India is a very good brand for silk, and it's very famous for its kurtis, dupattas, and you can buy saris also. And they have a very good stuff. One is Nalli. Again, it's a very good brand, and I bought some saris from there, and it's a must for silk. It's a very good brand, and as I have lived in South India for some time, so definitely I saw that it's a biggest brand there, and they have a very good quality of silk. So you should definitely try, if you want to buy a silk sari, definitely go for Nalli. It's a very good brand. Next brand is Biba. Biba has a very good collection in anarkalis, and as well as they have kids section also. So whenever you want to match your outfits with your kids, definitely you should go for Biba. They have great designs, and they have blended designs. Like, it's not that the stuff is not very loud, and it's Meena Bazaar. Meena Bazaar is again a very good brand. It has many outlets in Delhi NCR, and definitely you should try it. It has very good designs and stuff is also very good, and I have the best collection of kurtis, and definitely their stuff is very good, and prints are very nice, and they keep on changing the designs, and I find it very you know in the trend. Clothes are available there, so definitely you should go for Meena Bazaar. And next is W is again for kurtis, W for women, and it has some great patterns, and it is like it's they have very light clothes which you can wear in a party also, and you can wear in in other occasions also. On other occasions also you can wear the same clothes, and they have different patterns, and it's like they are not very loud, and definitely they have a very good stuff. And they actually blend the patterns, and they have very unique patterns. I love the kurtis from W, and I always look forward to buy from them. Next is Soch. Soch is another brand which I love very much, and it has great designs, as you can see in the pics. I just liked whatever patterns they had, the colors and everything. So I found it very nice. So definitely, if you want to go for festive season, you should go for Soch. It's a very good brand, and it's affordable also. It's not very expensive. Next is Sabhyata. Sabhyata is one brand which I always prefer when I want to buy outfits for my office, and they provide very comfortable and nice So Sabita is specifically for cotton stuff, and they have a great stuff, so you should definitely try it. Apart from this, when I shop for online outfits, then I prefer Myntra, because it's a very good app for outfits. And specifically, if I talk about brands, then we have a Jaipur kurti, which is a very good brand for ethnic wear. And we have Rangmanch, again it is a very good brand. Then we have Melange by Lifestyle, that is again a very good brand. And also we have Sangria. So these brands are very very good. If you are buying online outfits, then definitely you should go for these brands in Myntra, and they have good stuff. And I never faced any issues, and their return policies are also fine. So uh, I didn't face any issue till now, as of now. And definitely I'll recommend these brands, because they are very very good, and stuff is also very good, and designs are also very good. Because these days we have lockdown, so we are not able to go out and buy. So definitely in this scenario, online shopping is also a very it's a very feasible option which you can use. So these were the things which I wanted to discuss with you, and I hope you liked my video. And if you like it, please like it, share it, and please subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to click the bell icon, because it will give you my regular video updates. Thank you so much. Ciao.